Don't call me up, go, good, good. Don't call me up, go, good, good. Don't call me up, go.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for a new video. This is your girl Gwen. I know I'm looking cute right now. You know, it's hot today. Today's gonna be, I believe, like in the 70s or the 80s. So I said, let me throw on a cute dress and look cute while I'm doing my video. So today, my baby's birthday is coming up on the 14th of May. Having her party on the 15th. So I decided to do some tutus. She has her tutus already made, her grandmother with her outfit. But I'm going to do my first two kids' tutus. So come along with me for the ride. Tune in. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a family member to watch my videos along with you. And, you know, let's do this. Time to make some tutus. Thanks for tuning in. So guys, I got all my supplies ready with all I'm gonna need, which is needle and thread. I have the elastic to go around my kids' waist. And I'm gonna be wrapping the tulle around the elastic. So I'm gonna get one of my daughters in here. I'm going to put this around her waist to see where she measures out to be. And then I'm going to sew it down. I know the youngest is probably gonna be something like this. I'm going to just cut it and I'm gonna sew it down. But that's not all. I have my shears for cutting. I have my tulle, white and red. These are the colors I'll be using, because they're going to be wearing shirts, t-shirts that says sister on it, and it's white, red, and black. 1 second so I can look for them so I can show you guys. So these are the shirts that my kids are going to be wearing with the tutus. I'm going to cuff the sleeves, and they're going to be wearing these with their tutus. Since their sister's birthday is Minnie Mouse everything, so they got their Minnie Mouse shirts. And I got these off of Amazon for like, both of them I paid like $30 or like something like that, like $30. But yeah, I'm gonna cuff the sleeves. So I'm gonna sew the sleeves. I want them cuffed like this for them to wear the shirts. I would have loved for them to all be wearing like Converses and bedazzle, but the baby has bedazzle Converses. The other two most likely are gonna be wearing white and silver or white and red stingers. So yeah. So stay tuned. I'm gonna start cutting the tulle in a second, but I am gonna show you guys me measuring my daughter's waist to see how big I have to do the elastic. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put this around her waist. So around her waist, close to right there. So I was about right. Hey guys, I'm just sitting here cutting tulle. I am no form or shape a professional at making a tutu. This is my first time trying. I just saw that this is something that I can have fun with and make for my daughters, and that's what I'm gonna do. So as I said, I'm just sitting here cutting tulle in pieces. As I said, I'm no form of a pro. I'm just cutting the tulle, and then I'm gonna make the tutu. I already measured both of my daughter's waists. This is one, and this is the second one for my older daughter. As I said, I'm not a pro, so my stitching is not all that best, but this is just a DIY for me to do for my kids. Something for me to try out, something, you know, if I want to take it any further than being a DIY, I can pursue it later on. But for right now, it's just something for me to have fun with, and me be proud of something that I did for my kids for my daughter's birthday. That's about it. Okay, so now I'm doing the red tulle. As you can see, I did some of the white already. The tutus are gonna be red and white. So now I'm cutting pieces of red. So I'm back, guys. Then took like hella time cutting the tool. It was real tedious. Real tedious. But I'm about to record me making a tutu on my daughter. So guys, this is the end results of the tutu. Stand up straight, turn around. Turn around. It's still kind of big, which means I might have to pull it in again. But this is how it turned out. Addie, put your hands up. This is her tutu. Turn around like a ballerina. Come on, turn around. Turn around like a ballerina. Turn around. And that's her tutu. If she would keep her stand up straight. Yeah, I might have to pull it in again. The elastic is still kind of big on her, but she'll be right. That's the tutu. That's for their sister's birthday. With the shirts, they're gonna wear it with the shirts that I bought off of Amazon. And as I said, I am no pro at making tutus. This is the first time I've made a tutu. This is the tutus that I'm making for my daughter's birthday. Tell me what you, and tell me if you like it. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe.